Enyadia you beat me enya flight directly from Kumasi here to US. Most of the South American countries, the higher countries, it's not possible to beat me alcohol. So and my aware say most of the big airplanes, yintimi in use on this flight because one the runway is this year BEM and several
Akuma FM 87.9
Kumasi. I'm aware said after
87.9 Kumasi
will not be readily and availably for use. We'll have to go through another extra process in terms of some expansion in your marketing kitibia sana. The question is, why then the essence of the rush in opening if all these indicators in your radio? Mamintio.
Kofi Medasi, Mamintia etifo. Na mincha wonso mo share online. Onim Kumasi Airport. Ehun sem kan quite interesting. Now, measure say free baby or questions in and then I will get into the contractual details. Misinformation we are done.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Airports nya international airports na enyepe.
Yeah.
Untimi fa kutoka endo to JFK ho. And kutoka endo to Heathrow ho.
Yeah.
Nina share at a certain stage. What I say. Now the main issue mimi huno with Kumasi Airport ni say omoka sombe nya planes that jumbo size akesina two quite funny probably 400 500 no. Your roundway ni sir.
Yes sir.
Roundway we need to extend it and that also means say a die bi o meso buni. But this is a first stepper and we are it ushers us into further discussions. And no be man no that ma baba beso so. But when you way now,
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The other thing is Kofi Kaya in 2003. That was when Kumasi Airport was declared international.
Yeah.
Now ahead of CAN 2008, omo rehabilitation works be honoma and ma equine teams are no more Africa no more be so much Ashanti region.
Yeah.
No more flight 18 see Kumasi directly. I think in 2016. Mr. Mahama, no interview with Kwame Dinkra. Okay, so there be no Kumasi Airport International. It started in 2003, and I think I have the video. Make my Pushikama producer if you so want. Now, this one issue that whole year the bia come on Kofi. Me contract
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Offer me page 5. Oh, there's all a law student. You know
Yeah.
So Oskoko page 5 of the contract documents.
Akoja ma scroll.
Me read the air close. I say the contract phase 2 now, phase 1. The Obianim say Mr. Mahama.
And yeah.
Omode lights be share form where omo rehabilitate the roundway near domestic side on. So on a year. Phase 3 Obianim say na do na year, but phase 2 ne hunti wa se obi wo wa. And as a politician you can crunch here. Ko you for contract now. We be at one. I say the contract shall come into full force.
Akuma FM 87.9
when the following precedent conditions are satisfied. We are law students. The precedent conditions are.
Etwa so omu disu ni ansana contract no ye frase say ye adwuma ana edim
sawe pepe Kofi na contract to share conditions there on 7 there wo na condition 7. The first one signing of the agreement. The second one submission of performance securities. Third one parliamentary approval. Fourth one public procurement authority approval. Oh, so Akuma
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The fifth one effective the fifth one approval and entry into force of the loan facility agreement.
And your page say na working kan.
Page 5.
Page 5 one.
Clause 4. But one I do know. Uchem na sabra for.
Go back, yeah.
Clause 4 no. Kofi ene da ho no.
Okay.
Ene da ho no.
Okay.
Okay, condition 6 now. See effectiveness of the drawdown on the loan facility and a value for money audit. And no correct. Sam kumo ino. NDC shen kumo diase. NDC no. Condition number 1. The signing of the agreement.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Which was December 1, 2016.
Yeah.
Condition C, parliamentary approval by 31st December 2016. And public procurement approval about November 1, 2016. And And then this is free.
Yeah.
This is free. Effectively, there was no binding contract between Ghana and the contractor. Kofi, Jamaican me what? Because this is law.
Yeah.
MPP are buying by, MPP
and
government
signature and entry into force of the loan facility agreement.
Yeah.
Was also not done.
And it was not done.
Yeah.
It's condition B. Submit a performance security.
87.9 Kumasi.
Condition C, signature and entry into force. No, yanye. Effectiveness of the drawdown. No, so no, yanye. And a value for money audit. Yanye.
Yeah.
And then once an easy say it by no, yeah, take it dada. It's a year right, 50 kwete. Actually, to be dated 14th November 2016. Salary card documents here, but the man
Okay.
Now, already on the third paragraph, I say, no, or the managing director for contractor.
Okay.
Also, you are, however, required under the contract to submit to GACL the performance security for the relevant stage. Once we have been able to fulfill the remaining conditions
FM
as per section 6A, B, and C of the contract agreement. Abran also now cabe less than a month behind this ifra by
November 14.
November 14, 2016. What you say? And as some conditions when fulfilling November 14, 2016.
Okay.
Signed by Fifi Kwete, then Minister for Transport.
Almost about 2 months. No, less than a month.
Exactly. To say a year salary we are confirmed some conditions and fulfilling in the year. And also na hanom. MPP abamba abamu no. Na ka conditions no for as are buying a share of fulfilling.
Yeah.
The first one that MPP are buying a share more was the submission of performance agreements no. And no
FM 87.9
MPP ababa abamu no. MPP hit me for fulfilling no December 15th, 2017.
Okay.
Ebio okay air condition E now which is signature and entry into force now. They were able to fulfill on December 29th, 2017. Condition G, value for money audit, almost maybe in October 2017. And at the last one, which is the drawdown of the loan facility, about April 26, 2018. Next, as what you hear say a year BBI Koso. I didn't care about abandoned projects. What him say the NDC government and complete a single project to inherit from subsequent government.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And this is a statement of fact I am based on research. From health sector to infra, not even one. Miriam, it was sad me seeing now. The Biabetin NDC for now, Mahama and a copy sika, a buyer. Kofi, who's this Canadian for UK year for?
Yeah.
I'm also annual report and good. It's a far UK year for annual report for 2015-2016.
Okay.
Omomu academic year. Omofa the last half of the year, no, not the next half of the new year, no. So from July of 2015 to June of 2016. And no year, 1 year, one financial year.
FM 87.9
that year, NDC what by mu. Also, I'm reporting more. NDC is not mentioned. And Ghana as a country
is not mentioned.
Country be on money they capture the country as part of their nexus export credits. I remember country Ghana is not mentioned in 2015-2016 financial year airports. And you can verify it. Oh, you know to us what? Make a year 2016-2017. So I'm sure the last half of the year, no.
Yeah.
Because NDC shall somewhere do we Juma in October.
Yeah.
In October 31st, and documents no shall see. So let's assume say abroad we is kakra by
Akuma FM 87.9.
Yes, last year no. And a room into 2017 the first 6 months. And also near Ghana 18 PM2. Contracts are scale with the Ghana back with Goldfields Ghana Limited and Whisker. Okay. That's about £7 million. And another one the Vital Upstream Ghana Limited. That's a oil contracts. Ghana there's not about airports. So obi be say NDC aban e secure sikato ho and sana NDC fra ban ma e yentro. So my then question I'm saying answer any time the years no. And I'm go for 2017-2018 report. And no be mo the second country I capture another export credit. Business support.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The export and as export and investor no Contractual Construction UK Limited. The buyer the Ministry of Transport. The project no airport construction. And the project here buyer credit 66,693,386 pounds. Now and then no be the person tried playing a certain mischief. Scan now a buy airpay is coming in euros. So yeah, please can I free UK company with my the pound equivalent.
Okay.
It took a first car now yeah per free.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
66,350,000 euros. That's one. And the ebio also no now you pay another tranche which is 7,662,500 euros. Okay, me Nuboma the pound equivalent and a UKEF.
Okay.
It will be kaya in 2021. The British High Commissioner ebe inspect the project no.
Yeah.
And we come Kumasi Kejetia project no because the council enya for Kumasi Kejetia project no was in 2019. That's what 2019 report.
Yeah.
Eti Kofi Maswa make Kenya say me bo various governments.
Akuma FM 87.9
days of President Kufuor. Na a renovation work is see here in 2003. You may become kwaji asase kwa wankase. Under President Mills, nothing happened about the project. Wama humbu. Mr. Mahama, eba hon. Okay, first phase no. But second phase no. Some kind of bibi.
Yeah.
For the purpose of records, Abra NDC phase no, there was no binding contract between the government of Ghana and the contractor, and for that matter, UKEF. Okay, I say on 5th of December, Mr. Mahama be commissioned, ebe cut a sort of project. Second phase no.
Yeah.
It was a deception.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Unim say condition 7 year boss we. And they be a date unya for filling year. And then na oba ho say oba be cut short for the construction of the project. Unim say contractor no even after 6 years cano or mobilized to site in June 2018.
Yeah.
After seeing Sakas cano in June 2018. It's other than this if I didn't throw over this whole period. So one I'm gonna secure schedule for the airport construction. Me didn't catch that show me musampa. Yes, in June 2018. Next time about 2018. It's a requested 2016 and this space cato. Ebi only say I don't know Rama how many conditions for her. Near for finish conditions or back at so set construction chassis. Abra onim so we in contractor be cranial. And these are things I think say moving forward as politicians.
Yeah.
And who has yes. But me the biamika say be a pragmatist. Bibi say ba shanty region anamide.
Yeah.
Me menya na nke wiebo ankrakra atachi we. O just say it's airport in sense sem na abane de. Baby aye dru ne. But we need to improve it to make sure say you do that level now. At least jumo sizing ya bit baba bi sianom no. Now the bit machine say within the African sub-region. Obi ano to kwa free Kumasi Airport Nigeria. Ye nuanu mo mko to go businesses. It will make their means of transport easier. And maybe not stable ye bi. Okay, so abanda. No, so company, the flight company, I say the same thing.
Yeah.
And they're picking Crawford from Kumasi to Nigeria and other places. And it's the time maybe the company no go there. But we believe say there's an opportunity. Now say we say you are paying despite. I can say share Ashanti Airlines I say. I think Ghana Airways has been on its knees for a very long time. Around this time, we need the indigenous
business to take your mind across on a crown so start unity link.
Unity link, yeah.
On a crown so start in there.
So they need to take advantage of these opportunities. Because someone who took in now within the northern sector, Ashanti region, Bono and Ahafo areas.
And then the plane ticket boarding because
exactly. So let's take advantage of it.
Of competition.
Let's take advantage of it.
Serious.
Now I'm building local content. Now saying na or take course for na way they anymore. Look at ECG for instance. You're privatizing. Yeah. I support the idea, but I think it should go to local people. One become flow to says. Now local people are no so interest in Ghana airports. And I said flights here I say anybody actually. And I think that is the way to go. You have private people are memuna kwesa abaya or Chahan Makwa CEO for Ghana Airport Company. No Makwa kodin semu. But I say Ghanaians in any day che Kofi Asante sika wo bi. After am sika wo mu bi. Me ma me sika wo mu bi a. Who didn't say people are going to tell you the truth in the face. So Kofi, on this matter there
the air is cleared on this. Some of us had discussions.
Na obi atwaso opeke ni abno atwaso na we na efiada their commission. Let's make the best out of it as a region.